Hello from Minden, Germany. We are here at the handguard machine, and today I want to explain you the optical part of the handguard system. You know, handguard is made out of two different technologies. One of them are the detections of the hand. So we have a handguard machine where we have a camera arm over the saw blade. We have two cameras inside, one in the front, one in the back side, and both cameras are looking down to the working table. We have a range about 1.3 meters to 1.5 meters where the cameras can see something. What they see or what they detect are hands. So by the software we are comparing the software and the pictures we have in the computer with the part who is coming into the camera array. So if it's a hand and it's detected, we can build zones by the software. You can't see these zones, but we build it by software. So the first zone is, I'm coming in with a hand, hand is detected, it's a hand. Then you come nearer to the saw blade, and then we have another zone if you are under the hood or really near to the hood. So these are three different zones we build by software. About the cameras, we can see hands and we can detect hands. You can see these LED strip on the guard, and this LED strip is working like a traffic light. So if it's green, my hand is in this position, far away from the saw blade. If I'm nearer to the saw blade, it's getting orange. And if I'm really near to the hood, it's getting red and the saw blade will trigger down. That's the optical component of handguard.